All right, we're live.
What's up, guys? Shawn, this Prospect Team Real Locos. Got a run fishing the 361 Grand Reelers tournament. I don't know, it's 27 still, right?
Yeah, we're still at 27.
Can you see the run?
Yeah, you see the run going is on the Torium.
I'm gonna run too.
Yeah. You got to run too?
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's Mango Vargas.
Unless it's my lines, you can see.
Well, one of them's got to run. Let me see. No, his is going more that way, to a different way. And yours is out.
Slow and going steady. This one's still going back slow.
We got that one
going fast. This one's going slow and steady.
And this other one got to run over here. Two runs going, same time.
His line.
Yeah, it's like almost lined up perfect. I think it might be the anchor where my fish pulled us out. Oh, maybe not. I don't know.
I think this guy has a line. You see how it's
It's almost wrapped perfect. It's alright, just let it go. Take 24, 25. You know who we learned that from, right? He's got a free spool right now.
We got 3 rods going.
Yeah. Javier Martinez is take 24, 25. I said, you know where we learned that from, right? From the Martinezes, Team Mentirosos. Hurry, Joey! Pull it! Oh, I mean, hold on. We're all mixed up here. Nothing bad. We're just out here having fun. We're out here having fun, hoping to hook. Oh, yeah. Shawn still got that run going. Yours still running down there?
No.
No, it stopped.
Oh yeah, I just got a hit. I feel it.
It's probably.
Yeah, I got a good hit shake right now.
Oh shit! I don't know how we're gonna land both same time. Hold the camera, hold the light. Double lasso.
Wow, this was a good little jerk.
That's all right. We'll figure it out. There's no worries. No worries.
Get them on the boat.
Yeah, we'll just get them on the boat. Which line? Yeah, we'll have to fix the anchor here in a minute. Yeah, you still got to run. It's still spinning? Yeah. Oh, man.
How long has it been here?
How long? Let me see how long it's been. How do you do this? Push that button right there. It's been 3:30. We need to not time it. We just got to... Yeah, set it. Set that motherfucker. Pull it through the snout. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, hell. Fish on. It's good? Oh, hell yeah. It's pulling drag on the Torium. Oh shit, he's turning the whole boat. He's probably gonna pull the anchor too, like mine did. Man, mine was like 20 yards from the boat when it spit the hook. Which one? The green one? Keep that phone on. It's all twisted now, the line. You twisted it more. You need to go the opposite way. One more time. You're giving it slack though, but it's alright. Yeah, you're out. He's still on though. Get the line in. Get it out of the way. Oh shit, are y'all hooked together? No, we're good. Live action. 361 most hated on the boat. Prospect. Team Real Locos on the boat. He's hauling ass this way. Oh, he's close. We're gonna need to get that lasso. Over here on this side. He's right here. He's right here. Right under. He's about to show himself. Maybe. Oh yeah, he's a good size. Watch this line right here. Oh, he got it. He got that line. He twisted up on this blue line on Shawn's other line. It's alright. It's alright. It's twisted on your line, but it's cool. It's alright. We'll get it. You want to cut it? You sure? Here. You want me to grab? You want me to get it with the other lasso? Or that lasso?
Hold that. Don't let that go.
It's still wrapped in your. It's wrapped in on that line. It ain't gonna come off. That's like a. You want me to? Hold on! Don't! You're gonna cut your hand. Don't do that. Get the lasso. The lasso. He has the lasso right behind you.
Pull this in. Pull that in right there. Pull it.
Don't worry about that line. Get the fish in the boat.
Let's get the fish in the boat.
Yeah, don't worry about that. It's just a leader. Let's get the fish in the boat.
No, I'm not pulling in the leader. I'm pulling in flat. Here. I don't entangle them. Just hook them back.
We're gonna have to get him in and get him right there to the front. Oh, he's taking way too long. Watch it. Trying to bury himself down. I saw all his bubbles come out. Hold on. Get it behind those. He's heavy. He let all his air out. Did you see the bubbles? He's trying to sink himself. Nope. I say use the other lasso.
You can hold that.
Yeah, you can hold the rod. We're all in the tournament.
Put them right in.
Oh,
the whole head too.
Yeah, he sure did swallow the whole head. Watch when he comes in.
Watch my rod.
You're gonna have to watch that rod right there.
This one's right here. Never get the rod situated.
Yeah, we'll get all that situated. He's on the lasso anyway. He ain't going nowhere. We'll get this out of the way.
Get that out. I think it's like choking him.
It's alright. We'll get it out. He'll be alright. We can put him right here. We'll just move that spotlight and we can lay him right here long ways. Watch this line right here. Oh, that's the line that it's on. Oh yeah.
It's a short nose. Look at his nose.
Yeah, he's fat.
Let's get this hook out of him so I can let him breathe. Let me see that pipe thing. There you go. Thank you. Damn, that nigga cut me.
Oh, he ain't done yet. He's still got some. Just hold on to that and keep. Yep, that's what I was gonna say. You see the size he wants to.
Short nose, look at him.
That is real short.
Mouth too. You see his deformed
Yeah, it's deformed. Don't be making fun of him.
mouth?
He's got feelings.
He has an overbite.
Yep. Like alfalfa. Oh, bitch.
He's a little baby. Baby 6-footer. Baby 5'8" maybe. Wrap it around. Pull it tight, and that's why that grip's there. Yeah, just pull it and wrap it around that grip. That's why we put that grip. You can get it in there.
Take the rope off, slip it through, man. You're gonna have to grab his snout for him. Fat ass head, look at the head on him.
Yeah, he's a big old head. You're steady making fun of him. Hold on, I just gotta get. Alright, open your mouth. Say all. Them pliers? Oh, okay.
This right here. I got it.
You think it'll do it with that?
Yeah, just to open his mouth on the bottom. And then he push down on his mouth right there.
There we go.
Get his skills.
We better get it.
Yeah, the bait's in the way though.
The bait is stuck, right?
Yeah. There we go. Oh, it's all the way.
You'll get it. Once you get that hook out, that head will come out.
It's too short. That weight's hitting it.
Let me just throw up. There it is. What do you mean it's too short? Shit.
It was almost lit. I can't pull no more lit.
It's because you got some big ass leaders. You know, make your leaders so damn long.
Oh, good shit.
Hold up from the bottom. So I could loop them right, so you could throw them right.
No, he's like, he's like, put it right so they can go underneath. Yeah, that's what he's saying. So watch it if your head shakes. Y'all want to measure him or what?
Yeah, I want to just see how big this is. Where's the measuring tape at?
Up there, right there.
I got my legs on them.
Alright.
I'm gonna get to where we can see. Well, we measure them first, and then if it's close, then I'll do a
He
full.
might not be, guys, but I just want to see how big he is.
How big? 564.
63 and a half.
63 and a half, which is 5.
3.5.
No, it's more than that.
5'3".
5'3".
Yeah.
But fat.
Ow.
Oh,
You know, you just let it go.
Where's that glove at?
Why do you need a glove?
I'm gonna take a picture. Here, you know how I put
Where's your glove? You brought a glove?
Yeah. I gave it to you.
Oh, all right.
You can cut the video off. Oh no, yeah, cut the video off.
You sure?
Yeah, because they don't.
That's gonna be too long. All right. Yeah, we need to get him back in the water. Get a picture and get him back in the water. All right. We'll be back again.
He's a fat motherfucker.
He is fat.
7.
All right. We'll be back. Bye, guys.